So I'd quickly like to run through a couple of the features of the Thermocool SH2000 and SH3000 prep fridges. The 2000 model is 1500 long with 2 doors, and the 3000 model is 2 meters long with 3 doors. You'll see the lid has the hydraulic rams, so opening and closing is very quick and easy. The second feature is the wide 400mm prep area on each of the units, stainless steel. Inside the unit has room for the full GN pan trays, and these units also feature a front venting fan. Now these are a unique and essential feature of the fridges because they draw the hot air out from the compressor. Down here, the cold air normally on a front venting fridge draws the cold air in over the evaporator. These have the fan at the front to allow hot air to be drawn out. This is a particularly useful feature in a very hot environment or a hot commercial kitchen. The SH2000 and SH3000 pizza prep fridges from Perth Commercial Fridges and Equipment. Remember, local stock, imported directly, so you save.